today we are going to present ICT exhibition, and it's about small steps to global goals. In this ICT exhibition, we are making digital designs and apply to 3D media. So, if you're interested in ICT exhibition, follow us until the end.
Did you guys know that graphic design is required in all aspects of life because of the benefits that are incredibly important in everyday life? Graphic design is a communication process which uses visual elements such as typography, photographies, and illustrations to create the perceptions of a message being conveyed. Aside from that, graphic design is always required when creating a product. That is why graphic design is one of the fields of interest to the younger generations. Creativity as well as basic knowledge of graphic design's applications are required.
In our team exhibition, there are 8 members. There is Mr. Bayu, Claresta, Geraldine, Abel, Evan, Matthew, Rifki, and me, Gani. Our team has a plan. Believe in yourself and anything possible.
So here we have Adobe Illustrator and a digital airplane design. For this digital project designing, we use the app called Adobe Illustrator. Adobe Illustrator is an app where you can use for designing and creating some art. After we have the grand design on Adobe Illustrator, we can apply the design to the 3D media. The 3D media could be anything you want, but at this project we use Styrofoam as the 3D media. For more details, follow our presentation.
So in our exhibition, we have roadmap. First thing we do are planning all the ideas, then schedule the time, start making the design, and the last thing, we evaluate the results.
We have a roadmap where in the first stage we do routing on how to create an idea together. With the idea that we have, we can make an airplane concept and determine 3D media that we will use.
We choose the concept of creating an aircraft design because we believe that aircraft play an important role in people's daily lives and are very useful in fast transportation, as well as because many state industries are competing to assemble aircraft, one of which is Indonesia, and we hope that in the future one of us will be given the opportunity to design a real plane.
Second is our time management. Our team uses Zoom applications to communicate to each other during exhibitions. Our team takes Zoom meetings twice a week, on Thursdays and Fridays from January to May. We also apply target that must be achieved at each meetings when creating the meeting schedule, because the concept of our team is not only designing in digital applications, but also applied into 3D media that must be assembled, and on the other hand, we also need to balance our ability to use digital designing applications.
This is dispatching. From January to February, exercising our conceptualizations and design skills. So basically, we searched some amazing icon, then we remade it using Adobe Illustrator app. From March to April, developing aircraft prototypes and designs. After we trained our skill, we discussed about the concept. After that, we designed with our own idea. And the last month is May, making my idea presentation and putting aircraft prototypes to testing. This is the last month for our exhibition before graduation. Anyways, now we just need to make the airplane that we designed with Styrofoam and other supplies. Then we discuss the report and our presentation. We concentrate on consolidating concepts and equalizing the ability to use Adobe Illustrator application as a digital design tool from January to February. To equalize digital design skills, we practice making airplanes designs and logos on the internet before creating our own logo designs.
These are the examples of our results. Our team tried the skills on how to make a logo design and also how to make the airplane design on Adobe Illustrator. We tried this together because to make our team have the same skills as the other. These are the things that we do on January and February. On March to April, we focus on how to design the 3D media prototypes of the aircraft. These are the examples of the design. We have 4 slides of design and each slide are parts of the airplane.
In order to create 3D media prototypes, we use styrofoam boxes, which are typically used to pack the food. We use the lid and the bottom as a part of the plane, while the rest can be used as the fuselage.
After the 3D airplane prototype is completed, we develop it so it can fly using the drone technology, with the tools used being the GGRC H36008 PCB drone, dynamo drone motor, drone propeller, and 2.4G remote control. In May, we focus on improving reports, student journal, media presentation, and evaluating our team performance. In this case, we highlight the result of our drone manufacturing, where the drone motors and appropriate propeller are critical for the success of drone flying higher.
In this activity, we use Adobe Illustrator CS6 application as the digital design media and the Zoom application for online class meetings. In making 3D airplane media, we prepare airplane designs, paper, styrofoam punch boxes, crankcase scissors, paper glue, hot glue gun, piece of pipe 3x4 10 centimeters to form the parts of fuselage, solders, lead wire, and a set of drone tools.
Expense details. The first one is drone mini-set, which costs 204,000 rupiah. The second one is soldier set, which costs 57,000 rupiah. And the third one is a 50-piece styrofoam, which costs 34,500 rupiah. A set of hot glue gun costs 17,000. 2 pieces of battery cost 10,000 rupiah, and etc. such as 4 sheets of paper, paper glue, scissors, cutters that cost 10,000 rupiah. So each person spends money. Approximate price is 332,500 rupiah. The total price in the data can be expensive or cheaper for a child. Drone mini set is only purchased by one of the representative who has finished the plane first. I'm happy because I can participate in the exhibitions, but a bit sad because I can do it face to face and we have to do it online. But the exhibitions went great and I can finish my work well.
Overall, I love to design the plane. It's so much fun and I'm happy with the result.
I enjoy joining this exhibition ICT too because I learn many things about drone technology and digital design.
Joining the exhibition makes me better than doing nothing at home. It's better having something to do than having nothing to do at home. And I appreciate crafting the plane even though the results is not what I imagined.
Overall, I got the good results, but kinda hard when making my own design, because making the pieces kinda hard. overall I like the results.
I had so much fun. Being honest, it's kind of stressful though because we need to make our own ideas and our own logos. But overall, I'm happy for the result. Thanks everyone for watching us until the end. I hope you guys like it and we hope we give you guys some energy. Bye!